blue side of the mountain is today's drop.
Can you guys fly?
Side of the mountain.
This is Tish, this jumpsuit. I do have on the wrong color bra on this, so ignore that little pop of white there. I think it just, the lower V would be fine. So bra friendly, has the cape, has the high waistband here. I'm in the small, and the back has this little peekaboo with
I love it so much.
tie. It's just very like comfy and dramatic and just yummy, and just like
Coverage there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, coverage there.
So it's almost like a faux cape kind
It's
of.
a faux
like
cape.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Cute.
I need a microphone. This is the supply. We dropped this in a
The coffee had the V-neck.
Yes.
A little bit different,
So
but
you guys have seen these pants from us. This top, the Sloan, I think it is. Just
Sloan and Scout, maybe.
so easy, so easy. So I'm in the small both pieces here. Lots of coverage. Just that really pretty, cool blue color. I stay back here. Just easy.
Yeah,
super
so
easy. We have this, and I have the other pair that we have in the, I don't think it's up here. It's like the blue, mid beach color, tan.
Yeah.
And then we got them in this color. I mean, you said yesterday, like, this is 4th of July. Let's just wear this.
This is all you need.
This is all you need. And this is like totally appropriate for my kids are going to college. Like, just so fun.
Yeah.
So fun here.
Okay,
Okay, give you another option for a jumpsuit. This we have had in the black and white.
But the black and white is 2 pieces, right?
Yes. And then we did a green. Did we do the same
green
thing?
hasn't dropped yet.
Oh, just kidding.
Coming.
It's coming. This is very pretty. So this has
Maybe
like
I'm gonna
the
like
big
it. Oh, we do have
dramatic
it in green.
sleeves as well here,
Don't we have it
but
in black?
lots of coverage. And then the waistband here, and then of course the back. I love the back with the bow. It's just simple and cute. And again, so comfy. Like, I love a good dress, but like this is such a great alternative. So lots of things you can do to change this up. Took these little beach slides with this guy just to bring out the white, and super comfy.
Yep.
This is so fun. So you have on the pants that match. There's like 4 pieces to this. So threw on this little tank. I figured out the zipper before I broke the shirt. So there's a little zipper here. Has the smocking in the back, so it makes it easier just to get it where you want to get it. And then the shorts. This is just I just threw on a little belt. This does have belt loops, but I didn't want to fight it. So the shorts do have the little belt loops, and just easy, like fun color for whatever. So here are the pants. You're in the medium. Yep, I'm in the small here. Just easy, and then just love this. I love this idea with denim too. So super fun here, or you can just of course pretend like that's not underneath. And I love this little. I threw it on sneakers just to see what it looked like, just to have fun there. But I think you can obviously dress it up and have fun with that. But just a great color.
Yeah,
I love this. So cute. Little tank from you guys have seen from us. It's adjustable. I probably need to adjust these a little bit. So just that little drapey. You'll show that probably. We have another color there. Threw it on with the pants, and then I love this dust or cardigan. This is Gentle Fawn. This is all Gentle Fawn, right?
Yep.
So just a little different look there. I think this is gonna go with everything. I don't know why I haven't put this on yet.
Neutral.
So, yeah, and then just threw it on with our little Woden, just with that black and then the tan there to bring it all together. Got it. This little black dress. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This is just so easy. So it's a little adjustable straps here. This is like every black dress should feel this good.
Yeah.
Like it's just easy. Has a little slit there. Just drapey, and just has a little tie and the waistband here, and then I just threw it on with this kimono and a little sandal. I think you could do a gazillion things here. A little bit different black dress and a little bit shorter, and have I love these little sleeves. They're so
I know.
pretty, so pretty.
I have this dress it's like more cottony from last year, and I love it.
You do? Do you
I
wear it all
take
the
it on
time?
vacation
You do?
every time because it's just comfy and easy.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then would you do a medium in this too? Did you go? I feel like I could go up in this.
I think you could with I think I have a medium.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I think the length is fine for the small that I have on here. I just threw it on with this little Prague sneaker. Just that pop of black. But I feel like I'm a little chestier, so I think I could go up in a medium in here and be happy with that too. So just otherwise, but I do love the length that they did in this dress. So appropriate, so cute. This is Pistola.
Okay.
Yeah, I should have gone to a medium in this one, but just because I am bustier, that I feel like I would have felt better in the medium here. But here you go. Everything changes. Like, that's why you try stuff on, right?
Right.
I'm never going to be the same size and everything. I don't care.
I mean, I feel like it's just right there in your chest.
Yeah.
So if you...
Yeah, I mean, but I would feel better in the medium, and that's what it's all about, is to feel good, so I don't care. So, and then I just threw on this little belt here, and just easy. I mean, gosh. I have something similar. We had a green one.
Yeah.
And this, and I did the medium in that one, and I love it. I wear it. It's the most, Pistola does the most comfortable jumpsuits. They really do. They just fit so well and just feel so good, and you just put them on. You're just done.
I think that would be so good for like a business casual, like power suit.
Oh, I love that idea.
And yes, it
like,
feels so good.
I'm here. Yeah. These are fun.
Yeah.
These are new days, and with the pork chop pocket and the hammer hanger is what I call that. These are just a fun wide leg and just the best color. I love this color for summer. I just love it. So, and then is this 80s or what? We got the wide legs and this little space dye going on here. This is Project Social. They kill it with their tank tops because they fit so in all the right places. Has a little cinch here, has a cinch in the back as well. And just easy. I'm in the small here. I thought this was fun. I don't know. This might be ugly, but we'll see.
No, I think it's going to be
This
fun.
is supposed to be a dress. I might have to grab your medium to see.
I don't think it can be.
I don't need it because of the sides, right?
The slit.
I think it'd be cute if you had a slip dress under
You
it.
could do something, yeah.
Totally do that. I will say the sleeves are a little bit on the shorter side, which is great because you're not getting all that fabric down here and having to cuff it. But I do like this.
Yeah.
I like this together. This is fun. Total 80s baby.
But that is so cute.
This is so cute. So I just do this on because I haven't worn a skirt this short in a long time.
I was just getting ready to say, like, it looks
but
short, but like on the hanger it looks really short, but I don't feel like on it looks.
No, because I mean my running shorts are the same size, same length and all that, and this is a low waist,
low
rise, whatever. So, and oh my gosh, look at that stretch. So stretchy there. So, I think I'm in the small here. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's a low down skirt, low waist mini. So it is a mini skirt, but I think it's fun with I think it'd be fun with this on top of it, over the top too. But then I just threw it on with this little striped knit, stretchy fabric from Gentle Fawn there, and again, just all those colors I brought in there. Threw it on with a fun sneaker and belt.
Cute.
I mean,
last but not least, the good old Chris Stapleton tee.
I mean, this is what
I don't expect this one to last.
No way. And I had to put these back on. I think these jeans needed another moment.
Another moment?
Yeah, they're that good.
This is just like their kind of, I'm going to call it their like everyday tee. They call it the merch tee. So it's kind of, I feel like it's a little boyfriendy. It's very relaxed. I feel like it's easy to size down if you want. Andy's in the small. I'm in the medium, so that these are our true sizes. So I feel like this is how it's meant to look, but no, you can't, it's easy to size down if you want, or if you want it more relaxed, go bigger. All right, guys, so if you have any questions on sizing, let us know. We're happy to answer any questions that you might have. You can reach out on any of the platforms that you're watching, or you can text us. It's 812-455-0201. I also want to mention that we have released a date for our warehouse sale. It's going to be happening in our parking lot with our neighbors across the street. Hooray, it's a children's store. So mark your calendars for April the 28th. It's a Sunday afternoon from 3:30 to 6:30. We will be here having some really great deals. So, all right, you guys have a great Tuesday. We'll be back on Friday with another new drop.